Hi, I'm Fiona from Miss Paint a Lot, and welcome along to this flip through of my writing set, I guess I'm going to call it. It's fairly obviously blue with lots of different papers in from lots of different places, possibly predominantly my Porch Prints, I'd say. They're generally my fallback position. They do lovely papers, and it's accentuated, shall we say, with these pink butterflies, which are everywhere. It's when we get inside, you'll see there are loads of pink butterflies. It's tied up with this blue organza ribbon, which just opens up, and there we can begin to see what it contains. It's got this large pocket here at the bottom, butterfly, some lace, and a couple of really nice journaling cards, and they're a good size as well, backed with coffee stained paper. And you can see this lovely paper here with the text. It's gorgeous. I love it. I do love text. And it's got a cutout here like a file folder, and behind that we've got this. That's a large one. And this is also a writing space. So we're only just into it and we're finding writing spaces already. That just slips into there, hides the butterfly, so you get a nice surprise when you pull it out, but you can still see that it's there. So that's the bottom part. Let's have a look at the top part. Again, beautiful paper with text on, lovely pink butterfly, but in here we've got a tab, so there must be something in there. Oh yes, look at that. It's a lovely little journaling card, backed with coffee stained paper all ready for you to write on. And that just slips into there. But it opens up. So let's just move it down and see what's on the back of this. Oh, that's pretty. Some blue striped paper, which if you know me, you will know I love stripes. And it's got beautiful flowers on, this lovely little pocket edged with lace, and a little journaling card in, backed with coffee stained paper. Everything's sewn around, so it's all complete. And two pink butterflies. And let's move down to the bottom and flip that down. And here we've got a belly band with some lovely of the Tim Holtz wildflower dies. It's the belly band itself is edged with lace. It's all sewn around the beautiful blue roses. Excuse me. And an envelope here. Again, we've got the pink butterflies, we've got blue lace. It's made out of blue card, and it's got these papers, the blue rose papers on top, all sewn around, and on the back also. And inside, oh, isn't that pretty? A lovely journaling card, backed, so it's ready for you to write on. That slips inside there, and that slips under there, and then it's just held with a little paper clip. Might have said safety pin before. Okay, so what have we got in the middle then? Well, when you open it up, this is what we have. Isn't that just so pretty? So let's start with the central section. We've got this lovely big pocket, beautiful flowers, pink butterfly of course, some lace. It's all sewn around. Two little edgy bits there that haven't been cut off properly, and two massive journaling cards. Really get some writing done on there. And also, if you wanted to, you could write on this. It's light enough that it would allow you to journal on it without any problems at all. And it's all sewn around, and they go into there. And then on this side we've got a side pocket, and we've got three smaller journaling cards in here. Look at that one, isn't that gorgeous? So two have been zigzagged around, one stitched around, all backed with coffee stained paper, and they fit nicely into there. And on the other side we've got this, which was a journaling card, but I made it into a pocket, and we've got this nice long slim journaling card in there, also backed. So it fits into there beautifully. And I'll just leave it so you can just see that blue butterfly there. And then we've got a much longer pocket here, and we've got this journaling card in there. Fits nicely into there, and the two butterflies. So fold the centres in, fold the top down, fold the bottom up, and let's just turn it over and see what we have on the back. Well, this is a massive pocket, and it's got lovely blue lace and blue ribbon with a ubiquitous butterfly, and this lovely rose paper here sewn around with a butterfly. And in here we've got a little journal, blue stripes. I mean, you just can't go wrong with that. And it's got quite a lot of pages in here, and they're all stamped with a little pink butterfly on every page. It's got pamphlet stitch, so it's nice and secure. There's the centre. Loads to write onto, and that just tucks into there, down to there, and that's it. These ribbons come forward to the front and tie up into a bow. So there you have it. Lovely little writing set. Plenty of room for writing, easily enough that you could take it away if you were going for a, I don't know, weekend away, or even probably a week away, to be honest. You get all your journaling done. I'm going to leave that book because I can never tie them when I'm videoing. But there you have it, our writing set. Thanks for watching. Bye.